Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Eero to Verizon 5G home internet. First, make sure your Verizon 5G home internet gateway is powered on and working normally. Check that already has an active internet connection using the default Wi-Fi. Now open the Eero app on your phone and sign in or create your Eero account. Next, tap on Set up a network or add a device inside the app. Now choose your Eero device type and follow the on-screen instructions until it asks for your internet connection type. At this point, take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to the LAN port on your Verizon 5G home internet gateway. Then plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the main Eero device, usually the one labeled as the gateway or main unit. Now wait a few seconds while the Eero system detects the connection. The LED light on the Eero will start blinking and then turn solid once it connects successfully. Next, continue inside the Eero app and follow the setup steps, such as naming your Wi-Fi network and setting a password. Once setup is complete, turn off or disable the Verizon Wi-Fi if you want Eero to fully manage your home network and avoid double Wi-Fi signals. Finally, test the connection by connecting your phone or laptop to the new Eero Wi-Fi network and check if the internet is working smoothly. And that's how you can connect Eero to Verizon 5G home internet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.